in this guide, I'll show you how to increase FPS in Elden Ring on PS5. So the first thing you want to do is press start on your controller and scroll down and select system settings. Then what you want to do is scroll down and turn off ray tracing and change the performance settings to prioritize frame rate. This is going to make a big difference that you'll notice immediately when playing the game. Now, another thing you can actually do, which most people don't know, is head on over to the home menu. And if you don't really care so much about graphics quality and you want the best performance, what you want to do is download the PS4 version of Elden Ring on your PS5. Now, to do this, you want to go to the PlayStation Store, and then you can scroll on up and go to the search icon, and just simply begin typing in Elden Ring until you see it and select it. Then what you want to do is scroll over to the three dots, and you want to go to select version, and then you want to download the PS4 version. Now, the big difference is when you play Elden Ring on PS5 on the PS5 version, you're going to experience a lot of frame drops, especially while fighting. But when playing on PS4, you're going to get a lot more stable 60 FPS, which is a big benefit, especially when you're fighting hard bosses. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.